Hey guys, welcome back to Tiger's Hot Wheels. Today we're going to do part 2 of Hot Wheels unboxing. We still have 9 more cars to go. I put the rest of them, of the ones that we opened up last video, in the little collection down below. In the background, which you can kind of see. Sorry, just moving my cars a bit closer. So first off, we have the beautiful LB Works Lamborghini Hurricane Coupe. So let's go ahead and give this an open. Here's the, excuse for the fingernails, by the way, for the nails. It's the case. I think it's M case. I'm not really sure. Yeah, I think it's M case or H case. So let's get this bad boy open. Let's get you out of there. And here's the car itself. Honestly, looks pretty sick, to be honest. That can go in my Lamborghini, my collection of Lamborghinis. Might have to make some room because I'm pretty much about out of room. So that's that car done. And next we have the Aston Martin DBS. And as you can see, do not put tape on the cars. So yeah, let's get this open. This one's a bit hard. Okay, and here's the car. I actually have a duplicate of this car, but it's in a huge box full of cars. So yeah, unfortunately, this is the only one in the collection so far. But let's get those out of the way for now. And I'll give you guys a little tour of the car collection after. So now we have the 2020 Jaguar F-Type. And here's what the car looks like. On the back. Sorry about that. The barcode. Some other little things down there. So let's get this one open. Oh. And there it is. Man, I love these luxury type cars. The back. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And now we are moving on to the 17 Lamborghini Urus. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but here it is. Let me know in the comments below if you know how to say it properly. There is another Lamborghini that can go in the collection. Case. Alright, let's get this. Oh wow, beautiful openage. Beautiful opening. There's the car. Nice tires. Metal roof. Metal and plastic body. And plastic under thing or whatever it is. There. Okay, so now we got the Range Rover Fila. I think that's how you say it. Sorry, not opening up just yet. What the packaging looks like, minus the damaging. And there's the back for it. So let's give this an open. Not a beautiful opening. Not beautiful. Not beautiful at all. Okay. Oh, this one's a bit hard to open. Give me a minute, guys. Give me just a little brief minute. God damn it, come on. There we go. And there it is. I actually have another duplicate of this car, which is in my car box. So yeah, it's always great to have another duplicate. It's beautiful. Oops. Not meant to do that. Now, we're moving on to the 67 Shelby GT 500. There. Back. Front. Let's get this open. And there's the car. Looks pretty damn cool, right? Beautiful. Alright, now we have the 64 Impala. 64 Impala, which is from the Hot Wheels... Oh, you can't really see that. Which is from the Hot Wheels Art Car series. Yeah. Oh man, I've been dying to get my hands on this thing. Look at it. This is definitely going in the collection. Because look at that white and black. Beautiful, beautiful car. And now we have the 63 Chevy 2. Here's the car. Whoa. It's a J case. I think it's J case or D case or F case. I'm not really sure which case it's from, but give it an open. Wow, an easiest opening. And here's the car. Beautiful. And the last one for this quick little video, we have the custom Ford Maverick. I think that's how you say that. I actually have another duplicate of this car, but it's a bit beat up, so I'm not going to show you. So, let's get this open. There's that beautiful car with the number 94 on it. Sorry for the background noises. Look at that beautiful car. Yeah. Very, very beautiful. Well guys, so thank you for coming to this video. I'm going to show you a little bit of behind the scenes now. There's all the cars that we just opened up. And there's the mess. And if you're wondering what I'm filming on, I'm just using a vintage computer and a money box car and a lava lamp to hold up my phone. So yeah, it's a pretty bit of creative. And I'm show you the bit of the collection. And to a commenter on the first video, I do have a bit of Nissans just sitting here, and that is an R34. And I think I have another R34 here, which is also my profile picture. And there's all the other cars that we opened up, minus these two, by the way. These two didn't do a video. There's the Pagani. And I also got a Toyota Supra. Thought that would be a cool little accessory. And some bone shakers. It's always good to have bone shakers in there. Another car we opened up. Got that. Range Rover. Yeah. And Hot Wheels Speed Machines. Some others, a Ford Mustang. Back there. Real collector's model. Another car on there. And just a whole bunch. I'm talking whole bunch of main lines up here. Some more cars we opened up in the previous video. So, move that guy a little bit. So yeah, that's what I basically film on and all that. And this one is what those Fast and Furious cars came in. I was going to plan to do a video on this, but I just wasn't bothered that day. Plus, it was a bit of a miserable day, so yeah. Oh yeah, I also got some Matchbox cars down here. I've been collecting them for a while. Fast and Furious ones. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you for like 330 something views on the setup tour. If you're wondering what it's doing, it's just doing its normal self. Oh yeah, got some cars here too. Right there, another Aston Martin. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.